And now it's time for the sand in the carpet test. 5 grams goes in. What manages to come out with this Hoover Rewind? It is a worn brush roll, to be sure. Definitely not in new condition as far as I can tell. I don't know how that will affect the results. And isn't it nice when you do a deep clean test that the dirt actually goes all the way into the pile and you don't see it sitting on the top of the pile? That's Vac Lab's definition of a deep clean test. All right, away we go. We are on medium height, number 3. Everything was completely washed. This is the first time this machine has picked up any dirt since it went into the tub. By the way, it's very easy to push, at least in the medium pile setting. All right, here we go. And how much of a carpet shredder is it? Well, we see a lot of extra carpet fibers. Oh, there's some, but there's a lot of sand too. All right, so that's reasonable extraction, and it definitely picked up a bunch of sand, but we have some definite bonus material in there as well. Okay, so I need to go and separate that out, and then we can weigh it. Nice little pile. So I would say that the actual amount of, you can probably see that better over here, the actual amount of fluff isn't too bad. It is a medium dirty pickup. It's not terrible, that's for sure. But it's not a completely clean pickup either. All right, I think we're almost there. that's probably going to do it. Okay, so this is the extraneous material right here, and here is the sand as clean as I can get it without taking an inordinate amount of time to do so. So let me change the camera angle and we will go ahead and weigh this. Slippery. All right, 5 went in. How many did we get out? So we're looking at 2.16 divided by 5, or about 43%. There, you can see that now. So definitely less than half, and it's a slightly dirty pickup, so maybe subtract 1 or 2% from that. I'm going to guess that the softer, wider bristle pattern from this, because of the extensive use of this machine, probably has dropped it down a little lower than it should be. I'm guessing it probably should be more like 50%, maybe with a brand new brush roll in it. But 43%, and that's a moderately dirty pickup. Thanks for watching.